So many people think that in this era 2026, you have to get huge amounts of money to start your businesses. But here is 5 ways to get money without stressing yourself much or without doing anything much of yourself. So here that I'm going to have 5 on my list over here, and number 5 is that one that many people we are into it. So without wasting my time, just be with me, and the number 5 will be a blessing to you. So number 1 on my list is digital product. Digital product like ebook. You write ebook, that's a story. Write a book, that's ebook. Online mini courses. And the most amazing part is that when you write all these things, you sell it over and over and over again. You don't need to stress yourself. So all you have to do, go on YouTube and learn how to write a book, ebook, and the platform that you have to distribute, or many courses on the platform that you have to distribute. There are many courses, then the knowledge that you have about something that many people need it. That knowledge, you sell it over and over again. Number 2 on my list is faceless content creating. So faceless YouTube content creation could be on YouTube, Instagram, and all this content is like motivation, speak, animation, case stories, storytelling. All these things, many people are like afraid to show their face. So what I have to get is that you get voice over and story. You can use your own voice and you put it on this platform, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. So America, Africa like this that you are listening to me, I will urge you to put it on YouTube short, you put it on Instagram, you put it on Facebook. So these places you will get monetization very quickly. So these are the ways that you can use to get money, or you get to get money. So number 3 on my list is affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing, for example, is like you go and you sell people products and get commission from it. So maybe there is a link or there is an app that you say that, oh, you should do this and do this. You put your link under your video or whatever that you are doing it, Facebook advert, YouTube advert, and when people click on it and go and buy all these products, you get commission on that product. You get commission on that product, and at the same time also that means you become an ambassador for this company, or this, it can be a company, it can be a product, you got commission. That's why you recommend people product to people on online, and you got commission on it also. So number 4 on my list is print in demand business. Print in demand business is t-shirt. You create a t-shirt, you create a coat, African wisdom coat, you create an cap, all these things, you create a dress and you put it on apps that they need all these things. That means you don't have to what, you don't have to create it. You just create the template and everything that you have, and you put it on this app. When you put it on this company will print your product. When people go there and they like it, they print it and send it to the people that have bought your product, and you get money out of it. It's not easy. It's so easy. So all they have to go is that you go on YouTube and learn all this, how to create blah blah blah, teacher, how to create caps, how to create logos on these things, and where to put it, and you get money out of this thing. Number 5 on my list that many people talk about, and many people we are doing it, is skill monetization. So skill monetization can be like video editing, video creation, um, writing a ghost story, and this demanded, or how to create a content, how to create a thumbnails, to be a social media manager. All these things, many people are in demand, looking for your skills that you have. There's many skills that have to laugh, how to start your video, how to end it. All these things are skills that you have over there. The skill that you have, the talent that you have, many people are in demand, looking for it. If you are laughing, how to express yourself, your faces, all this, many people are looking for it. to get it to buy it. So where can you upload all the skills that you go to Fiverr, go to Upwork, all these places. And mind you, all these places that you have to go, have to get a laptop. Some places you don't need a laptop, you need your mobile phone only. So this place will help you to, so that when people buy it and you get money out of it. Some people they can buy your work like $100, $200. Some people are buying $300, like go to writing, like video editing, like video content creation. Yes, content creating, all this thing. Even logo, people are looking for logo for their business. Come on with a logo, business idea, all this business name, and they are looking for people. So if you are creative on this aspect of on skills, then place that I have to recommend is Fiverr. You can go on even on TikTok to sell your product over there. You don't need to get into these five products, these five skills. All that you have to need to choose all that I have said, one of it, master your skills and go into it. If you're good at storytelling, if you're good at motivate people, go into Faceless YouTube channel, get your YouTube channel and go into shorts, and you'll get money out of it. So all these things I'm saying is that it will not be easy, but I trust you, trust the process, and you enjoy the labor of your, just waste just 10 minutes of your time, 20 minutes of your time, 1 hour of your time, and do this thing. It will be a blessed for you. Thank you so much, and see you on my next video. Which of these skills that are you going to start right now? Drop it in the comment section. If this video was useful for you, like, comment, and subscribe. So that when I bring amazing YouTube, amazing me video or business idea, you will be part of it. Let's grow our business together, and also let's be rich together. Thank you, and see you on my next video. My name is Rebecca.